Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about a very funny topic. So this is something I don't want to implement. I don't want you to implement in your system or in your program. I want this to use in your interviews. Why? I'll tell you. Today's video is about a 3-minute or 4-minute video, like 3 steps to make a ALV. That's it. That is something I have to show you. So my wish is, I guess everyone who's developer and watching this video, they have their own method of making an ALV report. Maybe reuse ALV, maybe container, maybe something else, maybe this one. You might know this. You can skip it, no problem. But I want you to, it's a request to you to use this one in the interviews. It saves a lot of time, honestly. You don't need to explain reuse ALV, don't need to explain container. A simple object-oriented approach. Every interviewer is fantastically happy with it. Majority of them I have seen, they're really happy. So this is about a ALV report, how to make a ALV report in 3 steps. Not more than 3 minutes it should take, until and unless you know how to write a select query. Right? So you have a query in place, which you need to, the outcome of the query need to print it on the ALV. Write the query. You don't need any data declaration. Just put annotation at the data, like the inline declaration. Get the table which has all the data. In our case, we are querying the SPFLI table to get the data. Here, then the data is there in LT flight table. Once the query is successful, check if it's empty or not. That's another thing. You need to show ALV if there is data. If not, you don't need to. Simple. Next step is declare data of reference data of CL SALV table. This is a SALV class, so you can create a reference of this and instantiate the reference. You go to pattern, object oriented one, call the factory method of CL SALV table with the reference LOSALV. You see, I have called the same. This is a factory method of CLSALV table. I have passed the reference LOSALV and also passed the table LT flight, the one I got from the query, right? Then the last part is LOSALV display. So if you call the display method, it will simply show up the grid. It makes everything complete in the ALV. So next time any interview asks you how do you write a report, this is the best one after SQVI or SQ01. This needs code though, but it's not much effort than SQ1s. So simply these 3 steps will get you a decent report. You want to add some fine tunes, some cool looks, that you can do. It's a one more line or one more comment thing. You can set optimize, you can maybe change the column header, you can add functionalities, the standard header, PF status, those ones you can do. That will be like additional specialities, but the generic one is, this is something that will do your work. It will show you a report and people can be happy. You can add a parameter or select option to lean the data, string the data. I guess this makes a very easy report and you can use it as a report in 3 minutes. This is the first video of report in 3 minutes. I'll make a couple of videos about this. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and stay tuned. We'll be back with another video soon. Until the next video, let's see you again. Bye bye.